Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be redecorating my front stoop for fall. Stay tuned. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Let's begin by removing some of these old flowers. For my theme, I'm going to continue the blues and the oranges from inside, and I'm going to add some of the sprigs with pumpkins that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. While I'm at it, let me show you how to make a quick and easy bow. The ribbon that I'm using for this bow is the same on each side. It's sheer and you can see the same look on either side. This is the reason I can fold it the way I'm folding it. If the ribbon had a print on one side and not on the other, you would be using the more conventional fold by folding and twisting. You're going to be making from 3 to 4 loops with this Dollar Tree ribbon, which is only 1 yard. I had just enough to go back and forth, 3 loops on one side and 4 on the other, with 2 legs or extra pieces of ribbon left over. I will be using a different color, which I did the same thing too, and I'm going to be tying it together to make one full bow. All you have to do is once you tie it, you just fluff up the loops. Once I was done with my wreath, I took my head planters and I put in my fall flowers. I added some Dollar Tree leaf garland to my topiaries, and I also purchased these two scarecrows from Walmart, and I thought they were so adorable. Well, that's all for now. Thank you guys for stopping by to DIY with Jules. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget that notification bell. And I have other videos listed in the description below. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.